these things are kind of perfect because so the mints, if their tummy kind of aches, bandages that they could put on boo-boos or scratches.
Creating medical kits is a school project for Northtown senior Landon Fischer.
Classrooms are gonna love it, and your whole purpose behind doing this is such a big deal to make sure that kids could have what they needed in the classroom and not have to leave.
Hand delivering more than 20 medical kits to each classroom.
Hi, Miss Chisholm.
Go away.
Sorry to distract you, but I came here to bring you med kits. And
that is great.
I don't know if you remember me.
Yes, I do.
You do?
I do. It's so great to see you, Landon.
Here at Davidson Elementary School, his former grade school.
Somewhere right here.
Yes. There you are.
Oh, man. All the teachers were really awesome, and I made a lot of friends here at Davidson. So it's just kind of like connects me to my childhood a lot.
While Landon has grown a lot since his elementary days, some things haven't changed, according to his former teacher.
It doesn't surprise me because, like I said, he was always respectful, willing to help kids.
Providing medical supplies for these students is in line with Landon's career goals, to become a pharmacist.
It'll keep the kids from having to go all the way to the nurse's office, so they could just stay in classroom instead of getting distracted from their learning.
Motivated to give back shows the importance of making a caring connection with students.
That is wonderful.
Have a look in there.
Wanting to help kids be able to stay in the classroom, and how he had remembered how his teachers had invested in him, so he wanted to invest back into the school.
Setting an example for future Hornets.
It is inspiring because you hope that you somehow impacted their lives in some way, and then for him to come back and specifically want to see me and help out at our school and do things for our kids, it's meaningful.
And packing a lot of school pride in every kit.